YouTube, could somebody fucking explain to me how this is even possible? Okay, I'm gonna page back. Now I'm gonna page back. No, I can't page back, but what I can do is I can go right here and I can show you the annotations and end screen that I just set up on my channel, right? And then this comes up. I'm like, what the fuck is this? Click on that. And it goes to this guy's channel. One fucking subscriber. But then I go to search. Exactly as you see it. J-O-H, sorry. Yeah, J-O-H-N-N-Y, the letter number 5, I-V-E. Boom. Boom. The real Johnny5ive. The fucking Isuzu Johnny5ive. Joe Isuzu. Now there's a guy I should have thanked. Damn. Anyways, Joe Isuzu, you're super fucking cool. Or at least we think so in Canada, eh? Alright, I don't know how the fuck this is possible, but I didn't mean to send you to no skateboard videos. What the fuck? It's the exact same. There's two people with the exact same fucking name. Am I seeing shit? I know I'm dyslexic, but am I seeing shit? What the fuck? Alright, somebody explain this to me, please. How is this possible? I didn't mean to send you to no skateboard videos.